Hey guys, Steve Welch here with Beamer Toyota in Nashville. So you open your tailgate on your Tacoma. Gonna pop back out here, and first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you the dash here, right? So you can kind of see how the dash looks, and you can have different things that could be up on the dash. Of course, here this is an SR5, but let's say that you pop out here and you come back through, and say that you've gone to the local home store and you went ahead and you bought you some plywood or something like that, and you've got your tailgate down just because you needed that extra room, right? So what you're going to notice is that when you come back in here and you go to take off, you're going to shut your door, and it's going to leave this message up here, and that message is going to keep popping up. So no, you'll shut that back off, and as you're driving or that, your message is going to pop up that you got your tailgate down, right? So obviously you might want your tailgate down. If you do want your tailgate down, because like here I just put it in drive, boom, you see your tailgate's down. So if you want your tailgate down, maybe you want to shut that system off. I'm going to show you how to shut the system off that'll alert you that your tailgate's down. Just remember, just shut it off. So you might want to turn it back on later, but here's how you do it, right? So you're gonna come back over to these buttons here. You're gonna come down, and I'm just using left, right, up, down. Okay, all right, coming down here, gonna go into your settings button right here, all right? So you saw how I went down to settings right here, and you're gonna go over to the right now, or over to the left, whichever one you wanna do, and you're gonna go to the car. Go to that car setting, hit the OK button, press and hold it. Now you're gonna go, you can go up if you want to, you can go down. Very easy how you want to do it, but you see where it says alert on? You just come back, hit that button. Now the tailgate alert is back off, and if I go into drive, you'll see that alert doesn't come back on. So that is how you shut off the tailgate down alert on your new Toyota Tacoma. Very easy to do. You guys have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.